It's okay.
What do you call a ride that shoves you into a 540-foot gorge?
Going from this to, oh my God, I'm gonna die.
The wilds of South Africa. On a ride that would have Tarzan shaking in his loincloth. But while that feral dude inspired dozens of novels, this swing is one of a kind and mental.
And it's the only place that it's acceptable for a guy to scream like a girl.
The wild swing. Hauling oats at 75 miles per hour, flailing into a 540-foot deep canyon. It's the highest gorge swing in the world.
You kind of think you know what to expect, and when you do it, the expectations go out the window.
Legal!
It's a lot worse than what you thought it was.
Yeah.
He's standing back.
You jump!
Imagine, I want a future.
That was so ancient! Oh my God!
What'll it take for you to get a shot? Courage!
How do I get there?